You want to know how I know that my cat is lazy? Bitch, what are you doing? You're getting wet. You don't like water. You're getting so wet. Why don't you move?
Pro tip, guys. If you're gonna shovel your driveway in a blizzard, don't wear AirPods. That's on me. That's on me.
Who's down bad today? Alright, so my guy texted his crush in 2015, hey, what are you doing this weekend? Ah man, 2015, before the panoramic. But anyways, she says, hi, sorry, I didn't see this. And then this fool says, it's okay. It's okay? We don't even gotta read further. This fool said, it's okay. Yo, it has been 6 years. And as you guys should know, this fool is down bad. 6 years down bad.
Shampoo. Shampoo. Soap. Soap.
Hid under the bed and did this.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Somebody's grabbed me. Somebody's grabbed me. What grabbed you? Right underneath your bed.
Bro, there's nothing under my bed. What are you talking about?
Somebody grabbed me, bro. Oh my god!